Maisingit ko lang, Chito, ano, bago ko lang makalimutan kasi may ugly trend sa US na binabato yung mga performers. Ito
Ay,
ba, nangyari na ba sa inyo?
we've had our share of that, mas lalo na nung 90s.
Mm.
Nung time na, kunyari, nung time na sobrang sikat yung Wolfgang, everybody and yung bands, yung mga kids, hindi pa sila masyadong courteous tulad ngayon. They throw, we've had our share, like e-heads, pinato ng bato, parokya, bote ng paiihi, mga ganun ba? That mas nangyayari pa ngayon dati. Tapos nung time naman na hip-hop and metal, kahit sila Francis ang binabaton. Pero eventually, the crowd learned na, all types of music, respect. And alam mo yun, so...
Kasi dati meron ganun, ano, di ba, rock, parang they don't mix
lagi
rock
naman,
with pop. Parang ganyan.
Una,
metallic, metal with ano.
Metal versus hip-hop, OPM versus top 40 ng Amerika. Lagi naman may inaaway, kunyari ang rock, parang ganun, rock. Ngayon, OPM versus hip-hop, lagi naman nila pinaglalaban, pero sa totoo, pag tumanda na, okay na rin, wala naman. It's all about music, parang ganun. Kahit nga Apo Hiking, gumawa pa ng kanta against American OPM, diba? Parang they also had strong feelings against American Top 40, and it's normal, parang ganun, kasi you're on one side. Tapos, yung hip-hop versus metal, biglang pinaglalaban. Kahit i-heads, niloloko nila yung mga hip-hop versus metal, pero Francis M, they jammed with Francis M. Tapos, na-blur yung lines na, okay pala ang, alam mo yun, nasasanay din yung mga tao.
Oo. At saka it helps na eclectic na yung taste ng mga bata ngayon.
Yes, exactly. Pero yung mga trends, lagi naman may stupid trend from not just US, pero everywhere na lagi may didilaan yung ice cream para may trend for the likes. To show one love for the band, you need to show your hate for the others. Na-realize na we could be fans of two bands or K-pop. Kaya yan yung in-educate ko din yung mga tao. Not naman educate, I don't want to sound smart, no? Pero I'm making people realize also na those hating na about SB19, gaya lang naman sa Koreans yan parang ganyan sa K-pop yan Sabi ko, parokya din naman, ginaya ko lang din ng e-heads, kaya kami doon nagsimula Tapos yung e-heads, nakinig lang din ng Beatles yan, they're always influenced by someone else.
Yes.
And you start dressing pa. So just like K-pop, ganun lang din. Pero the question is, tatagal ba yung SB19 yan if they just keep on copying that? No, the reason why pumalo sila because they started writing songs and came up with things to help them stand out. Tapos biglang yung mga kanta nila, Pinoy na Pinoy, may Pinoy elements, tapos pero world class. I'm just blown away. So, in-educate ko din sila na there's no reason to hate someone being influenced by someone else. Kasi kami namang mga batang 90s, we were just influenced by Nirvana and Pearl Jam and Red Hot Chili Peppers and the Eraserheads. So, bakit? Nagkataon lang na iba yung influensya nila, pero just because iba yung trip nila, doesn't make...
Yeah.
Ba't ka nagagalit? Parang ganun.